have inputs coming in from Madhvi Lata's constituency in Hyderabad, where she's contesting Asaduddin Owaisi, where there are images coming in of Madhvi Lata trying to check and verify the identity of a burqa-clad lady. These are images that we're just playing out for you here. As we hear, Madhvi Lata has asked for a burqa lady to show her face, insisting that she reveal her identity to check bogus voters in the constituency here in Hyderabad. We're yet to verify if that lady who she's insisted on removing the burqa to show her identity is indeed a bogus voter, or is she an authentic voter there? What really was the circumstances? And we're yet to get some information on this, but here we understand that Madhvi Lata has insisted on a lady taking off her burqa to show her identity in a bid to crack down on bogus voters. Now we're yet to identify and clarify whether the lady whose burqa was asked to be removed to show her face was indeed a bogus voter, or was this a false alarm? A question that still needs to be answers that need to be established, but for the moment these are visuals that we have here. Madhvi Lata, who is a BJP candidate standing opposite Asaduddin Owaisi, has allegedly insisted on having a lady's burqa removed to see if the voter is authentic, if at all this is a bogus voter or an authentic voter. We're going to try and get you a reaction on this, but for now this is all that information that we have. Madhvi Lata, we believe, has asked for a lady to take off her burqa to check if she is an authentic voter or is a bogus voter. Well, Madhvi Lata has, in the recent past, spoken extensively about cracking down on hate politics, on communal politics, and speaking for unity between the two communities. But it appears typically, by and large, we've seen a communal polarized campaign coming in within the Hyderabad constituency from Madhvi Lata, the BJP candidate, and we're hearing responses from Asaduddin Owaisi as well. Abdul Bashir, who joins us for more on that. Abdul Bashir, please give us more clarity. We're still clueless. Who is that lady in a burqa? We hear that Madhvi Lata insisted that she take off her burqa to check her identity. What happened?
Well, Madhvi Lata, after she had casted a vote in the Malkajgiri area constituency, had left towards the Hyderabad Parliament constituency, where she is contesting from the Bharatiya Janata Party. After reaching there, the main concern what she raised is the rigging of the bogus voters in the Hyderabad parliamentary constituency earlier. Then now she started checking the women